first step is to step number 1 to consider the base kVA. Base kVA basically we consider the largest kVA rating in between the connected equipments in the power system. So this is single line diagram of the power system. So here the largest rating is of generator 1 and 2, that is 10,000 kVA. So consider the base kVA as 10,000 kVA. Now second step, to calculate the reactance value all the equipments connected. So percentage X of base at base kVA for generators 1 and 2, that is base kVA upon rating kVA of generator 1 2 is also same. That's why its reactance value will be 10%. Now for generator number 3 and 4, it will be 10,000 divided by 8,000 into 12%. What we will get here? It will be 15%. Now percentage of X of reactor, the reactor connected in between the bus bar, that will be 10,000 divided by 5,000 into 10%, so that we will get this value, that is 20%. Fine. Now what is the next step? Next step, to draw the reactance diagram. How we will draw the reactance diagram here? Actually we will use these reactance value to draw the reactance diagram. First thing is to we will draw the neutral point, then make the reactance value for generator 1, generator 2, then there is a reactor in between the bus bars, then for second bus bar the reactors are like this. So first and second generator have reactance value of 10%, it is also 10%, this is 15%, and this is 20%. Got it? This is the reactance diagram. Now where the fault is occurring? The fault is occurring at the bus bar number 2 here. So these lines are connected on the same bus bar. So if a fault occurs here, it will be here. Till this point it will be affected. So we can assume these two reactance values are in parallel. These are also in parallel. So we can simplify this circuit as first reactor, then this series reactor, this is neutral point. Okay, that means fault is occurring at this point. So parallel of 10% and 10% will be 5%, it is 20%. Then parallel of 15 and 15% will be 7.5%. Now if we see this diagram, the fault is happening here. So we can consider these two reactors as in series, and then it is parallel to the 7.5%. So total reactance, it will be 5% plus 20% and parallel to 7.5%. So it will be 25 multiply 7.5, 25 plus 7.5, that will be basically 5.77%. No, we have to calculate short circuit KVA. So from formula number 5th, we can calculate. Sorry, we will calculate here. Short circuit KVA. Short circuit KVA. That is what? It is base KVA, that is 10,000, multiply by 100 divided by percentage of X, that we have calculated 5.77%. Fine. This value what? It will be 173,310 kVA. And when we will convert this in MVA, just divide by 10,000 1000 value, so it will be 173.310. It is short circuit MVA. Fine. So answer is this.